Hey YouTube, I'm Ashley and you're watching The Substance Project, where we work to bring you more than makeup tutorials and fashion hauls every Wednesday. Today's video is a quick life hack for those who drive to work. 3 tips for making your commute more productive and enjoyable. So I have about a 40-minute to an hour-long commute each way every day. I used to scan between my 9 pre-programmed music stations and NPR and really congratulate myself when I listened to NPR for any considerable length of time. But recently I started doing just 3 things that have made me feel a lot more productive on my commute and frankly have made it a lot more enjoyable. So enjoyable that some days I find myself looking forward to the commute. Okay, so here we go. First tip is start listening to podcasts. These bite-sized recordings are perfect for commutes. They're typically 30 to 60 minutes, and you can find a podcast on nearly any topic. I actually started off listening to NPR's Serial. First season was phenomenal. Second season kind of lost me. Since wrapping that up, I've moved on to different types of podcasts. One podcast I've been binge consuming is Jess Lively's The Lively Show. Second tip, very related, but check out audiobooks. Whether fictional or personal development or something completely different is a great way to pass the time. I actually started using Overdrive, which is an app that connects to my public library to find free audiobooks. When I can't find what I'm looking for at the library, I go to Audible, which is a division of Amazon, to purchase it. And if you're really in a pinch and you have the text for something but you can't find an audio recording, Google's Play Books app actually has an option to read text aloud. Admittedly, it sounds a little bit robotic, but if you have Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection, you can select a setting for a high quality voice, which sounds a little bit more like a human. Third tip is to take voice notes. If you're listening to podcasts and you're listening to audiobooks, you're going to be hit with some inspiration. But certainly while we're driving, we don't want to be dangerous and take notes. So I've started using just the Google Drive app to take voice notes. Just open up the app, press a little microphone, and it will convert your speech to text. So there you go, 3 tips for making your commute more productive and enjoyable. What did we miss? If you have tips that you love, please leave them in the comments below. If you like what you saw here, give us a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. We post new videos every Wednesday and would love to see you back. Thanks for watching and happy commuting.